Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Emochi AI. In order to do so, here we are at emochi.com. And what's Emochi all about? Well, you can speak with a variety of AI models and you can just talk to them and see what they've got to say. So let's go ahead and let's talk to Camille. And she is our wife that traveled back in time with you. So if you want to talk with a wife that has traveled back in time with you, you can do that here with Emochi. And let's just say hi. Hi, I missed you. And there we go. So we have a response there. So if you want to head over to Emochi, check out all of the various characters here that you can talk to. You can go to emochi.com. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. And also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business. Whether you're a new or established business owner, if you're looking for an edge, check out Sintra. It offers tailored insights to help you succeed. And if you click on the link in the link tree, you'll get 60% off your first month subscription. Also, check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra to help give you the edge and get the most out of it. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.